All right, so you ready to open this thing, Leo?
Okay, yeah, my dad's gonna record it. I'm just gonna, like, yeah. We're opening it. It's being opened. It's like compressed, like, so much.
Yeah, you just hold it still for me. There you go.
Oh, and
okay.
There we are.
So now it's flat.
There's a little head.
Now what we got to do now is
This is the baby.
we have to cut it open like along this edge.
Can I try?
So, well, what you want to do is hold this part and just drag it along that edge.
Yeah, this is a little thing right here that kind of indicates that you're cutting.
Yep.
Okay, that's not going well.
You're doing. Just keep your fingers away from it.
What?
So you gotta get on the other side of that. You gotta get on the other side of that seam. So hold on, flatten the seam out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Flatten the seam out. Okay, so now start ripping the bag open then.
Yeah. Capybara! Oh. Yo, this thing's a tank.
Go over that way a little with it. Go over that way with it a little bit. Thank you.
There's the baby over there. Imagine it's ripped and we get a second one.
Oh, no, I highly doubt it. Yeah. I'd rip along the plastic. Pull 2 pieces of plastic, separate them. Well, that way works too, yeah.
Oh, baby.
Now, it should expand. It may take a little bit of time. I wouldn't be compressing it. Let it expand.
Yeah, William. Dude, comparison, this is how tall I am compared to it.
So, here's a little baggie that has something in it.
That's
so you can pull that off.
So, yeah,
no, you don't have to tear it open. You just can, well, you can just tear this, take that off of there. And you don't want to put a code on the screen, so don't show any codes.
Yeah, I'm not showing the codes.
Yeah.
I just want to redeem the code also.
Well, it's a little bit around there, the plastic part. No, be careful. Yeah, there's a code in there, I think, so you don't want to be showing that off.
I'm going to go see him in game.
Okay. Are you sure you don't want to sell the code? You could probably make a ton of money.
No, I'm not going to sell the code.
Okay.
Let's just... Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. William, if you want to join me in Pets and Max, I'm redeeming the code. Just so stealth. I can see us throwing beside each other. Oh, your head.
Okay. So, all right. Well, that's it. That's what you wanted. That's what you paid $250 for.
$3 plus.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Bye,
Leo.
No, he's